Assalamu alaikum, dear Muslims around the world. I'm Abdul Mumin, a Muslim from Bangladesh. If Muslims are suffering anywhere in the world and you do not feel sad, you do not pain your heart, then you are not a true Muslim. Iran is fighting bravely for Muslims Ummah. May Allah give them victory. All Muslim countries in the Middle East, including Saudi Arab, Qatar, Kuwait, Jordan, United Arab Emirates, Egypt, and Bahrain, should stand with Iran and unite for the support of the Muslims Ummah. I love Pakistan and Afghanistan. I hope Pakistan will stand fully support Iran. May Allah unite all Muslims in the Middle East. Allahumma Amin. Assalamu alaikum ya muslimil alami. Ana Abdul Mu'min, Muslimun min Bangladesh. Iza kana al-muslimuna al-yuzlimuna fi makanin fil alami. Walan tash'uru bil huzni fa antum lastum muslimin al-haqiqiyina. Iranu tuqatilu wahdaha ka'annaha sad min ajlil muslimina fil alami. Nas'alullaha an yansurahum. Yazibu ala dualil islamiyyati fi syarqil usat misla Saudiyyata wa Qatar al-Kuwait wal Urduni wal Amirat wal Misr wal Bahrain an taqif ma'al Iran wa an tattahida min ajli nusratal ummatil islamiyyati. Uhibba Afghanistan wa Pakistan wa arju an nuqaddima Pakistan da'man kamilan Iran. Nas'alullaha an wahdata li jami'il muslimina fi kulli alami wahdata li jami'i fi syarqil usat. Allahumma amin.